Hey you guys, it's Lexionnabeat again here today with another one. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Today I'm going to be doing another SHEIN wig install. So you guys, a few months ago on my channel I posted a video of me trying a SHEIN wig for the first time. I believe it was the 4x4 26-inch body wave wig that they had, and I love that wig to death. That wig is awesome. So I went ahead and said, let me try to purchase a curly wig. I really want to try their curly hair. So I went ahead and purchased a curly wig from SHEIN, and honestly it's just been sitting in my closet. I never got to install the hair, so today I'm going to be installing it. Also, I'm going to try to do a glueless install. So I'm going to see if I can make that work. So the wig that I went ahead and purchased was this 13x4 lace front curly human hair wig in the color black. But honestly, y'all, this wig is definitely a 1B. It's 180% density and it's 26 inches. So I'll show you guys exactly how the wig came and looked before I did any plucking or bleaching or anything. This wig definitely is 26 inches in the back, but the frontal is definitely giving 18 inches. It's very shorter than the rest of the hair, which I had the same problem with the other wig I purchased from SHEIN. So you guys, I plucked most of this hair off camera, honestly, because it was just so much plucking to the point where like it would have been pointless for you guys to even been watching it. Unless you guys want to see how I pluck, I can definitely show you that. That's not a problem. But honestly, most of this I just have to pluck off camera. I bleached the knots and I added skunk stripes, and also added a band to the back of the wig so I can make it glueless. So hopefully everything worked out really well. So far, this is how the wig is looking, you guys, and I'll show you guys how I added the band in. This is how I have the band added in. This is what it's looking like. So the way I achieved my skunk stripes was I basically just parted two rectangle shapes at the temple area of this wig. I'm using a quick blue bleach powder and some 30 volume developer. This wig did not bleach that well the first time, so I did go over it twice. After I bleached, I let it sit in a little bit of purple shampoo. Even though it's still like that brassy color, it's not as brassy as it was. So you guys want to definitely make sure you're taking your time with this and you're coating every single strand. If you don't, you'll have little spots that are darker than others that didn't process as well or just didn't have enough bleach on it. So make sure you're taking your time and taking small sections and make sure all those strands are getting coated evenly. So here's pretty much the final end result after I've bleached the knots, plucked off camera, and did my skunk stripes.
What you love, it took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that impact. I'll be grown now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
So this lace was super gray, so I went in with my eyeshadow palette and took a few colors from there. And I also went in with my Ruby Kisses cream concealer in the color 14, or cream foundation in the color 14, and pretty much tried to make it match with my skin color as much as I possibly could. Alright, so far using the elastic band method in the back of the wig worked pretty well because my wig is laying pretty flat. But I feel like the lace needed to be kind of molded to my head shape a little better for it to lay flatter. So I know my ear tabs were starting to stand up, but that's why I used the mousse to try to like mold it and kind of make it like fit my face shape more, if that makes sense, without actually like pasting it down to my actual forehead. So I purposely did not cut baby hairs in this wig, mostly because I really want to see how versatile I can get with this wig and see if I can make it look like baby hairs without actually having to cut them. So at the end, it actually came together really, really, really well. So at the end, I did realize that my ear tabs were coming up just a tiny smidget. But all I would probably do is just go in with a little bit of Got To Be Glue Free spray, or I'll probably just go ahead and like mold the wig even more with just heat and mousse and go from there. Alright, you guys, so I decided to end this hairstyle off with this pretty viral curly look that I've been seeing going around. Honestly, this wig came out so cute for this to be my first ever try on like attempt to do a glueless, and I love it. I hope you guys love it too.
You make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact.
So this is the finished look, y'all. Sorry, I gotta pause my show real quick. But this is the finished look, you guys. I love it. It gives just like a, you know, type of look. I love it. Yes, you love it too? I got his approval. Y'all, I'm laughing at my son. He's so funny. Every time I talk, he does that. Real quick, I'm gonna get this outro out, y'all. Here's a close-up of how we looking. I think it looks pretty cute. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for my little trip that I'm gonna go on. I really want to do a vlog, so hopefully it works out. Shein, I guess we did it again. Watch this. Hey.